Hey y'all, thanks for stopping by the channel and subscribing. And keep an eye out every couple weeks where we'll hit up sandbars and beaches, go on underwater adventures, do some sailing, and have lots of other fun. And please check below for our links to our other fun channels.
Early in the morning, it is sunrise. I can put my hat on. You don't have to hold it. Thanks. Okay, once again, you see it like this, but this is the way the captain wants it. He wants to carry everything.
My favorite. I got no seams in my eye.
Come on, pack mule.
St. John's Yacht Harbor is our marina for our visit to Charleston, and the place is beautiful. Lots of transient slips, liveaboards, boat lifts, beautiful docks along the marsh for walking. It's really a pretty place.
What you're wearing there?
My sailing and fun sweatshirt my sweetheart gave me.
Your sweetheart. Your sweetheart.
Mm-hmm.
No, that sweatshirt is still in good condition, you can tell. A pretty day in a marsh sailing event. Gonna explore the area.
Or at least that's what we thought.
Do we need a fender? Oh shit, where's a fender? Hey, we're out here on slip 8 and we're sideways against 2 boats. We're in trouble. All right, thanks. All right, she's coming.
So less than a couple minutes into our adventure, our plans changed drastically.
So, problem departing from the dock. We had strong currents on our stern. We had strong wind on our stern. I thought that because it was on our stern, we could overpower the wind and current enough to where we could get out of our slip and underway. So as soon as we got off the dock, the current and the wind started twisting the boat, and I couldn't control it because it didn't have enough speed in reverse. As soon as it got sideways, or started to get sideways, the wind took over and the current took over, grabbed our boards on below the water, the wind grabbed the boat on top of the water. Yep, you did the right thing by grabbing a roving fender and fended off one boat, and we bumped anchors, so I ran up and grabbed it, but they have a Danforth, and the post that sticks out of a Danforth grabbed our bow and put some etchings in it.
In 3 seconds, things went literally sideways. So we're decompressing on a walk, and we're figuring out our next move.
Like I said before, this is a really pretty place. So even if you're stuck here, it's not a bad place to be. The marsh is beautiful. The expansive and long docks or decking or boardwalk, whatever you want to call it, is so nice. And of course, all the pretty boats.
That's a beautiful cat.
Captain got a new boat. We decided to stop working with the cat and just upgrade.
That one's got a little more windage, but I like everything else about it. The good news is if you happen to fall off the dock, you won't drown.
So we did know we were in for a change of weather, but we didn't realize it was going to be so bad that we just couldn't even get off of the dock. Instead, we changed our plans, headed out to one of the beautiful beaches before we returned to the marina. Most of the beaches around Charleston allow dogs at least part of the year.
Woo! Hey,
How are you?
I'm well, and y'all?
Despite the sun coming in and out, the cold wind, the cold water, the salt in the sand, we still really had a good time.
Stuck?
Yeah.
We're about to have a pool day at the marina.
First marina with a pool.
Yeah, first marina we've been to with a pool. Might fly the drone.
Oh, you forgot about the trees. And don't cut me. I know, be careful. Oh my goodness.
Drone lost signal, went through the wire, and then landed between these two rocks, and I thought we had lost it for sure.
And on the second attempt,
Oh, it's so warm. It's so fun.
You want to get your snorkel?
Get my wetsuit.
Wetsuit? You're a moss freak. And you're a tree climbing freak, so this is a double hit. You haven't been injured climbing a tree on a Spanish moss yet.
so with the pool being a little too cold, we decided to take another loop around this beautiful marina.
Boy, that is really beautiful. Gosh.
Freak crab.
Oh, shoot. That is creepy. Oh, that's creepy. Oh. I mean, I don't. Home sweet home.
It shows how you pull your hamstring.
It's not really high. I've got room to play.
Oh, there you do. Let me go. Oh, throw the glasses in the water. I can't believe it.
Wow, that was lucky.
It bounced off the railing back into the
I
boat.
was tipping my hat to you. Oh my
Don't do
goodness.
that.
I
Don't
forgot.
tip your hat. I like those sunglasses.
I forgot.
So we got a pool day planned today. Very hot day, very cold pool.
Yes. I feel like I'm joining the polar bear club. It's like 82 and like 15 or 20 degrees cooler in that pool. Trying to get my nerve up. If this was the ocean, I would put on a wetsuit, no doubt. Oh my gosh, it's like burning my skin. It's so cold.
Come out and get warmed back up and then give it another try. Sometimes I think you hear me and just do the opposite. Sometimes I feel like if I could do reverse psychology and tell you to do something I don't want you to do.
Yeah, because I'm not stupid.
Just like a drone shot.
So the captain was finally able to get a few decent drone shots. Temporarily, anyway.
Did you see it land on the roof?
Yeah. Crash landing.
It was, I couldn't control it. It just, whatever control I did, it would, it was like it would only go to one direction.
I don't normally do this, but I think I have to give myself a pat on the back for that.
Yeah, you deserve it. Good job.
All right, well, the captain has gotten brave. He's taken the plunge.
Yeah, I can't let you have all the fun. I've got to get.
I know, baby, you're wild.
Yeah.
But you look really good right now. I'm digging it.
We appreciate all of you watching. A big shout out to our YouTube subscribers, of course, our Vimeo followers, and our patrons. And if you have a few minutes, please check out one of our other fun videos. See you in 2 weeks.